Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the BX7 Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a premium mattress and upholstery cleaning solution designed for homeowners who want a deeper level of cleaning for beds, sofas, pillows, and fabric furniture. While traditional vacuums focus mainly on floors, the BX7 Pro is engineered specifically for soft surfaces where dust, pet hair, skin flakes, and other particles can accumulate over time. With multiple cleaning technologies working together, this vacuum aims to provide a more comprehensive cleaning experience for mattresses and upholstery. Powering the BX7 Pro is a 480W motor capable of generating up to 16,000 Pa of suction power. This strong suction helps pull dust, debris, pet hair, and fine particles from deep within mattress fibers and fabric surfaces. Whether you're cleaning a king-size mattress, couch cushions, fabric chairs, or pet bedding, the vacuum delivers consistent cleaning performance. One of the major highlights of this model is its 5-second quick heating technology. The system rapidly heats during operation to help improve the cleaning process on fabric surfaces. Combined with the vacuum's powerful suction and other cleaning mechanisms, this feature helps set the BX7 Pro apart from standard handheld vacuums. The vacuum also incorporates UVC light technology, which operates while cleaning upholstered surfaces. Together with the heating system, it contributes to the vacuum's hygiene-focused design and makes it particularly appealing for users who prioritize mattress maintenance. Another advanced feature is the ultrasonic cleaning technology. This works alongside the vacuum's suction and agitation systems to target particles hidden within fabric layers. The result is a multi-stage cleaning process that goes beyond simple surface-level vacuuming. To further enhance performance, the BX7 Pro utilizes a high-frequency tapping system. As the vacuum moves across the mattress or furniture, rapid tapping helps loosen deeply embedded dust and debris so the suction system can remove them more effectively. Air quality is also addressed through the inclusion of a HEPA filtration system. Fine particles are captured inside the vacuum before air is expelled, helping reduce the amount of dust released back into the room during cleaning. The corded design ensures uninterrupted power throughout long cleaning sessions. Unlike battery-powered alternatives, you won't need to stop and recharge midway through cleaning multiple rooms or large furniture pieces. Pet owners may find the BX7 Pro especially useful. Pet hair and dander often become trapped in mattresses and upholstered furniture, and the combination of strong suction, tapping technology, filtration, and heating helps improve overall cleaning effectiveness. Overall, the BX7 Pro Mattress Vacuum Cleaner offers an impressive package for dedicated mattress and upholstery care. With 16 kPa suction, UVC technology, ultrasonic cleaning, rapid heating, HEPA filtration, and continuous corded power, it delivers specialized features designed to help maintain cleaner sleeping and living environments. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check the product link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews here on GadgetVerse.